Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to show you how to enable news email notifications in Instagram on your PC with the new update. So let's jump right into it. Step 1. Open your account on Instagram. Once you're logged in, head to the bottom left corner of the screen and look for the More icon, or the 3 dots. Click on it to access the Settings menu. Next, click on Notifications from the list of options. This will take you to the Notifications settings page, where you can customize your notification preferences. Now locate the section for email notifications and click on it. Here, you'll find different types of email notifications that you can enable or disable. Choose the option for news emails. Click on the toggle switch to turn it on. This will ensure that you receive email notifications for news updates from Instagram. And that's it. You've successfully enabled news email notifications on Instagram for your PC. Now you'll never miss out on any important updates or announcements from your favorite accounts. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials and tips. See you in the next video.